Hi friends, welcome to another video. Today I'll walk you step by step on how to create a YouTube banner for your YouTube channel with Pixellab application, easy and quick. So let's jump right into this tutorial. So the first thing we're doing is open Pixellab application, and if you don't know how to use Pixellab application, just click on the link shown on the screen right now. It'll take you to a playlist where I explain how to use this application, and if you haven't installed the application, just go to the video description. There's a link I'll put there where you can download the application for free. Okay, so let's continue. So the first thing we're doing is importing this. Import this. First of all, let's change the image size to YouTube channel banner. Okay, then I'm going to increase this. Then after that, I'm going to lock it so it doesn't move. Then after that, I'm going to import the background. Okay, I'm also going to increase the size and lock it also. Let's take it to the back of this one. Okay, so the next thing, I'm going to create a text. So your channel, okay, then we're going to change the font. The font I'm using is this one. You can also go to the video description. I'll put a link to where you can download the materials I use for this tutorial. Then I'm going to change the color of channel, that's the channel text. I'm going to change the color to yellow. Then I reduce this. And then I put it there. So the next thing is to import the social media icons. Then I'm going to change the color to white. And after that, I'm going to create another copy. Okay, here. Then I move to another icon. I'll also create another copy. Same thing, I'm going to create another copy.
If you reach out and touch my mind, is a battle. I'm trying to hide it, hidden these voices inside to stay quiet. On to the place where all this began. Just start again. I'll see the light until the dawn breaks. No, till it's all said and done, you won't know what it takes.
Right, then after we've done that, I'm going to try and join all the old social media icons together. Okay, then I'll create another text. Okay, I'm going to reduce this, create another copy, and I'll put it here.
See the sparks you throw my way. I know your name is written on everyone's mind. Your whole show is captivating me, but don't think that I can see right through that disguise. But when you got close to me, you had me falling so hard.
So what I'm just doing now is just arranging the text and the icons together.
And you don't even try. Well, would you look at that? My glass is empty, glass empty. How about I get another drink, baby, Okay, I get it. You got fire burning right there in your eyes. So when you got
Right, then once I'm done with that, I'm going to join everything together. That's the text and the icons. Okay, then I'm going to reduce this.
this whole thing, I like the way you look at me. How about we just go with the flow? Now you know I feel it too. But I don't think this could
Now put it there.
be something that becomes a thing. Maybe just for tonight, then I'll be over
Right,
you.
so then the next thing we're going to do, we're going to be drawing certain things.
Close to me, you had me falling so
Increase the smoothness to 100% and we enable fill inside. So just click fill inside.
well, would you look at that? My glass is empty, How about I get another drink, baby,
Right, then I'm going to change the color.
got fire burning,
I'm using a gradient, so I'm going to click on this one here. Then after that, I'm going to take it to the back.
How about I get another drink, baby, Okay, I get it, you got fire burning, right there in your
Right, then I'm also going to draw another drawing. I'm going to change the color. To get this color, all you just need to do is click on that plus icon, then you select two colors together and just join them. So I'm going to take it to the back also. Alright, then I'm also going to do another one, just the same process. Okay, then we're also going to create a circle. Reduce it. Then I'm going to change the color also. And I'll create a copy. Then I'll put the copy right here. Also take it to the back. Right, so then after I've done that, I'm just going to save. I'm going to click on save as image. Now click ultra. Now click save to gallery. Then it's saved. Then you can just use it for your channel banner. I hope the video was helpful. This video was really helpful. Please do help by leaving a like, and also if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please make sure to subscribe right now for more videos. Yeah, so thank you all so much for watching. See you guys in the next video.